Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Onions are very beneficial to health and have powerful antibacterial properties. There are different types of onions in the grocery store, like red onions, yellow onions, and white onions. These onions are actually different in terms of their nutritional value. Now let us see what are their differences. Few people know that red onions contain more antioxidants like quercetin and anthocyanins than yellow onions and white onions. Studies have found that quercetin has powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial effects. Meanwhile, anthocyanins have powerful antioxidant properties, which can help to remove free radicals in the body, protect cells from harmful substances, and also have anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting effects. When too many free radicals are produced in the body, it will cause various diseases and accelerate aging, and antioxidants help to neutralize the excess of free radicals to protect the cells against their toxic effects. Therefore, regular consumption of red onion, which are rich in antioxidants, can help to fight cancer and prevent aging. However, yellow onions are higher in dietary fiber and sulfur compounds than red onions. These sulfur compounds help reduce the level of cholesterol in your body and may also help break down blood clots, lowering your risk for heart disease and stroke. Therefore, people with cardiovascular disease should include yellow onions in their daily diet. Also, yellow onions have the highest potassium content of any onion. Potassium helps to ease tension in your blood vessel walls, which helps further lower blood pressure. Therefore, consuming yellow onions, which is rich in potassium, can reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke by lowering blood pressure. As for white onions, it contains fewer antioxidants, which is the least of the three different colored onions. However, among the common red, white, and yellow onions, white onions have the highest calcium content. If you are looking for extra calcium, you should add white onions to your diet. Regular calcium supplementation can prevent osteoporosis and maintain bone density. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.